The fourth resource that I have found is one that I have seen work really well in a classroom. It's a noise tracker that tracks the amount of talking or just overall volume in your classroom. And this one, I chose the bouncy ball one, but there are a lot of different ones. So I chose this resource because students really love it and it keeps them aware of their volume during independent or group work time. If they're supposed to just be at a whisper, but things are getting out of control and everybody's talking over each other, you'll be able to see it reflected on the tracker. My purpose for selecting this resource was to give another teacher a way to monitor their students' noise during work times. Instead of having to constantly remind students verbally, a teacher can put this on the projector or their smartboard and let it do the work. So my audience would be my coworkers or teachers, and the ISTE standards are 2B, develop technology-enriched learning environments that enable all students to pursue their individual curiosities and become active participants in setting their own educational goals, managing their own learning, and assessing their own progress. And 2C, which is customize and personalize learning activities to address students' diverse learning styles, working strategies, and abilities using digital tools and resources. And the how-to is let me see. I'm going to go back and see what I Googled to get here. So I Googled classroom volume meter online, and then I selected this bouncy ball one. And so you come to this page, you don't have to sign in to anything, it's just a free website, and you click begin bouncing. So as I'm talking, it kind of moves a little bit. Let me make sure, okay, there. Now as I'm talking, it moves a little bit. I'm very close to it. So it's too noisy. You can turn the sensitivity up, so whoa, or you can turn it way down. So my sensitivity is at 10%. So I have my little puppy squeaker. If I squeak this, then it doesn't do too much. But then if I turn the sensitivity up, it gets way too noisy. Sorry if that was obnoxious. But another thing you can do is you can change, I'll turn this off. You can change the theme. So I'm on plastic. You can go to emojis. So there's a lot of emojis bouncing around. If I turn this back on, they bounce around. You can do bubbles. So for this one, the bubbles are at the top, and it thinks I'm being too loud. And then the last one is eyeballs. So the eyeballs are on the bottom. If you want, you can turn, so right now you see that it's saying shh, that's the noise alert. If I turn that off, that goes away. So that is another great classroom management tool to monitor your students talking.